Hi, it's Porsche Centre Dublin, in stock and ready for delivery January 21. This brand new Porsche Panamera 4S E-Hybrid. The SE Hybrid is a new addition to the Panamera range, producing a 110 brake horsepower more than the standard 460 brake E-Hybrid. This Panamera 4S E-Hybrid is finished in Dolomite Silver Metallic with the new 21-inch two-tone silver and black turbo design wheel with full colour wheel centre. This Panamera also features LED matrix light system, park assist front and rear with full surround view cameras, privacy glass and panoramic roof system. Moving inside the vehicle is finished with a full extended black leather interior featuring 18-way adaptive sport seats, including full memory of both passenger and driver. Porsche crests on the headrace, front and rear, and again panoramic roof system. Ambient lighting package and full carbon interior package, including door sills. Sport design package including mode switch, the all new 12-inch infotainment screen including navigation, Bluetooth, Moving to the rear of the vehicle, this particular Panamera has what we call 4-zone extended rear climate, including rear heated seats. The Sport Turismo also features a 2+1 seatbelt config in the rear, so 3 seatbelts. The all-new rear light cluster, which distinguishes the car from the old. Sports tailpipes in black. Should you wish to take a closer look at this vehicle, please contact Porsche Centre Dublin on 01 235 3375. Thank you.